Have you ever pondered the survival of the African wild dog, also known as Lycaon pictus, in a world that's rapidly changing due to climate change and human activities? The African wild dog, a carnivorous mammal that has been experiencing a decline in its population due to habitat loss and threats from farmers concerned about their livestock, is now facing an even greater challenge. In recent news, a study from Great Britain reveals that these painted dogs could be on the brink of extinction if global temperatures rise by more than 3 degrees Celsius. The study, which focused on the Kenyan subpopulation, found that higher temperatures result in decreased survival rates for both pups and adults, potentially leading to a population collapse. The African wild dog, a cooperative hunter that communicates and shares food within its pack, finds its home in the open plains and scattered forests of sub-Saharan Africa. Larger populations exist in countries like Botswana, Zimbabwe, and Tanzania. But these animals face threats not just from climate change, but also from hunting by farmers, habitat reduction, and diseases such as rabies. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this endangered species. These include the creation of wildlife corridors and awareness programs. However, the impact of climate change on these wild dogs, compounded by habitat loss and human activities, makes these efforts a race against time. In a broader context, the survival of the African wild dog sparks a debate about the ethical treatment of animals in captivity and the role of zoos in conservation efforts. A case in point is the legal case led by the Non-Human Rights Project, which seeks to grant an Asian elephant named Happy personhood rights, arguing that she is self-aware and deserves better living conditions. So what does the future hold for the African wild dog? The answer lies in our collective actions towards climate change and conservation efforts. It's a call to protect not just the African wild dog, but all species threatened by our changing world. In this narrative, we've delved into the plight of the African wild dog, drawing from recent research and conservation efforts. We've explored the threats these animals face, the impact of climate change, and the broader implications for animal rights and conservation. The survival of the African wild dog is a complex issue, interwoven with global warming, human activities, and our ethical responsibilities towards the animal kingdom.